Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I'm going to do this mask today. It's the Garnier Skin Active. Let me get it started. I'll tell you more about it. I received this from Terry. Terry is in England, and her channel is Terry's Inspirational World, and I'll put her below for you to find her. Her videos are really timeless. You can watch them anytime, and they are very inspirational. They'll lift your spirits, help you through rough times. And she's a very dear friend, and she's over in England. And she sent me some beautiful gifts, and this is one of them. And she has sent me these masks, a couple of these masks in the past, and they're very nice. And Garnier we can get in the States. So let me get this on, and I'll read you more about it. And I also found an old Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle. So I'm going to open it. All right, let's see. This is just highly saturated. Let me see. All right, smudge left. So it's very, very cold here. I know everybody pretty much everywhere has crazy weather. Crazy, horrible, cold weather. And we have ridiculously cold weather. Much too cold for our area. Come on, Blue. Come on through. Keep going, love. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Keep going. Sit. Sit on down. Sit. You won't listen to me. Come on now. Sit down. My nails are falling off as I'm moving that around. This is not fitting right here. Okay. But this, all right, it's Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. Hyaluronic acid and lavender for tired skin. Okay, Blue, come on, lovey. Goodness gracious. Okay, so very, very nice mask. It feels really good. It's very cold. I should have warmed it up a little bit because it's just so cold. It's cold in my house. It's cold everywhere. I think the whole U.S. is freezing. And I know that over in England, they just had snow a day or two ago, so they're probably very cold as well. This is fitting very nicely. It's nice it has those cutouts so you can sort of fit it better to your face. Very nice. It says that it's infused with the quantity of 1 bottle of serum. Okay. And it's a 15-minute mask. So I have been, over the holidays, had a little time off, tried to go through things. Didn't get, I tried to do a little organizing. I'm not the best organizer. I used to be. I used to be very organized, and it's just gone away with time. But I did organize some, and I found an old Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle. It's so old it doesn't have a sticker on it. I don't know if the sticker fell off. This is it. There's no sticker, that'll tell you when it's from, but it's got to be, I don't know how long it's been, $49, but this is, or $39. But this is when it was $29. And I'd say it's from 2022 at least, if not even older than that, honestly. There's 4 items in here. And I don't even know. I'll do my best to find pricing on them, on these items, okay? We'll start off with something bougie, Rebecca Minkoff. This is perfect for this time of year. It is a hat. Rebecca Minkoff is high-priced stuff. It's in a very well-sealed bag. It's super cute. I never wear these kinds of things. But there is her name. This is green. Oh, and then also there's a little leather patch here that says her name, Rebecca Minkoff there. It's a very nice knit cap, a pom-pom cap. It has this thing on where you could hang it up in the store. So I don't know if I can, since this is so old, I don't know if I can find the price of this, but I'll try. It's very nice green. We'll go with a lot of things. I just don't wear hats because my hair is so fine. When I take a hat off, my hair will be like this. It just will be everywhere. And next we have, I've had this before, I'm pretty sure, the Better Skin Company, Better Skin Amaze Balm Ultra Rich Therapy. So this says, nourish your skin with Ultra Rich Amaze Balm, and it will love you. Oil of coconut, avocado, sunflower, evening primrose, and sea buckthorn. Create a silky smooth slip. Shea butter, let's see, satisfy. Scented with a hint of grapefruit. I'm going to open this up and see what it smells like. It doesn't say if it's for your face or for your body. It looks like a face jar, but it sounds like it's more for your body. So let me open it and see what it looks like in there, and then we'll move on. And I'll come back with pricing if I can find it, you know. Oh, this is nice. It has a little scoop. It has this kind of, so this must be for your face. I don't really smell grapefruit. It's nice, rich looking cream. It's a very nice, rich looking cream. Well, Camille is here now, so everybody has visited us on this Mask Monday. Next we have, this is super cute. This is from Invisibobble, Simply Hair Loving. It says that there are 6, it's a self-care kit. This is really cute. This is a nice stocking stuffer or something. There is this beautiful velvet scrunchie, and then there's 6 of the Invisibobbles, 6 that are clear and 6 that are this mauvey pink. Isn't that a cute package? That's a cute gift. I can't use this kind of thing, as you can see, but I will definitely use that as a gift for sure. And then last in this mystery bundle, oh, this is nice, is the brand Pure Lease. That's a great brand. And this is the coconut oil and hibiscus silky body butter. Silky body butter. I have had body butters from Pure Lease before. I'm not sure that I've had the hibiscus. I've had coconut oil from them before. This has been setting so long. It's all to the side. It's all to the side here. So hopefully it'll still work. Yeah, it moves around in there. So it is, it's sealed. Yeah, it has a seal, so hopefully it'll still be fresh in there because it is quite old now. Let me get pricing. I'll be back. I have to announce the winner of my giveaway from last Monday's Mask Monday giveaway. And the winner is Debbie Lowry. And I'll put her picture at the end of this video. And I wanted to thank Terry over in England, Terry's Inspirational World, for the lovely gifts that she sent me, when this being one of them, the Garnier Skin Active. It's very, very nice, y'all. It does feel, it's very moisturizing, and it is a vegan formula, it says. There's a lot of essence still in this package as well. And okay, so on with my mystery bundle. When I bought this mystery bundle, it was $29. And at that time, I think it's still the same. The value is supposed to be $100+, and you would get 3 to 4 items. So the pom-pom hat from Rebecca Minkoff, it is super nice. I mean, you know, but this, I'd get this at Walmart for $5, but of course it's not Rebecca Minkoff then. So her pom-pom caps or hats are $50. So $50 for that. The Invisibobble kit, the self-care kit, is $16.99. See, like I said, very nice gift. Very, very nice gift. This the Better Skin Company Amaze Balm, which I am going to, since I opened it, it has a lot of great ingredients on it. I don't know if I'll use it on my face. I might use it on my body because I have too many other things going right now. But this is a $36 value. I knew that it had a lot of value to it because I've had I've had this brand before from Fab Fit Fun. Can't get the lid back on it. There we on it. Well, no, but I'm probably going to use that on my elsewhere on my body. And the Pure Lease also, which I'll use on my body. This is the Silky Body Butter, the coconut oil and hibiscus. This is $28 value. So this bag was $131. So well worth the $29 that I probably paid for it way back a couple of years ago. So thank you all for stopping by and seeing my Mask Monday. And I have tagged the Mask Monday ladies, Mask Monday friends, and Mask Monday, so you can find other people, other channels that do this. And I hope you have a fabulous week. It is a holiday today, And I know in my area we're having very, very not nice weather. Super cold here, and freezing and ice and snow. So y'all stay safe wherever you are. I'm sure, I mean, there's weather. I think the whole country is covered with bad weather. So be safe today. Be safe this week. And I will see you soon. Count your blessings. Why can't I?